Yo, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. I'm Levon. It's a nice rainy day today, and I'm gonna bring you guys some footage of the M4CS and how it handles in the rain. Let's do it. CS parked up right now. Nice little surprise I got for you guys. This is the X6M competition. I really want to get into the YouTube channel with this car as well. This car performs like a monster, and it is an extremely fast SUV. It is beautiful. 600 horsepower in an SUV. It is a V8 engine. Man, this car is an absolute monster. It sounds amazing, drives amazing. They complement each other so well. Happy New Year's to all of you guys, man. Can you guys believe it? We made it to 2023. This year has been full of excitements, downfalls, all sorts of things, all over the places. But what can you do, man? This is life. We're gonna go through all their ups and downs. We're gonna have a good day, we're gonna have a bad day. But all you gotta remember is to truly stick to your inner self and remember how strong you truly are as an individual. I wrote down a few things that of myself and just things that I've dealt with, and just kind of want to give back to you guys and try to help as many people as possible. 2023 is a huge year, and let me give you guys some insight on what to prepare and how to better yourself for the new year. Thank you guys so much for listening. I love all of you guys. To remember that life is truly a gift. We wake up every single day and realize it, and we should learn from it. We should learn from yesterday, but we should live for today. You have the power to shape your day, your future. Strive for progress and strive not for perfection. Don't wait for opportunities to come your way. Work hard to create them, because it's not just gonna come to yourself. You really need to put in this work, and that's wherever I struggled with myself, where I would just say I'd do this and I'd do that, and it never happened. So I want you guys to make action truly in yourselves and step foot. Keep your head high, keep it strong, and just destroy anything that comes in your path. You guys are the best, you guys are strong. Every single one of you has the opportunity to become the best and most powerful version of yourself. Smile is the biggest thing I love seeing in other people and within myself too. Anybody I'm speaking to, I always have a smile on 24/7, just trying to bring out the best to myself so I feel good and I know I'm looking good to the person in front of me. And that way the person in front of me can reflect the same way. Focus on the single step in front of you and not the whole staircase, which is a very important thing, because I know all of you guys, especially me myself too, I want to do like 30 different things, and I love doing so many things, but truly focus on one aspect and move one by one, because once it starts all piling up, you're just going to give up in a way. You're going to get tired. You're just going to be like, you know, kind of like, sorry to say, but like, screw it. You know, you don't want to do it anymore. You're tired of it, and you're like all over the place, and your mind doesn't focus on one necessary thing to do the best. Give your full potential on one thing and see how you're gonna progress like this. The smallest steps in the right direction can be the biggest steps of your life. Stop overthinking. Answers often come when you least expect it. Start from where you are. It does not matter where you are. We all started from one spot, everybody. Nobody just right away is, I don't know who. Prioritize your own well-being, being well, being strong, being healthy. That's what's going to make you better in business and life. Being motivated, just waking up and ready to start the day with excitement, joy, filled with just new stuff that you don't even know what's coming. You are amazing, you can do this, and believe that you are enough. Peace! That's what we're talking about. For all my M3 and M4 lovers, I know you guys, this car is the best handling car in the rain. I don't think it can get any more fun than this in the rain, man. This thing is nuts. It just slides everywhere, bro. Look at this. Yup. We're just sliding like that. Man, I think I need some new tires already, bro. Oh my goodness. Full send, baby. Sheesh. Check out the McLaren. That's clean. Sheesh. And one day, boys, one day. It's raining, we out. Ooh. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Again, thank you guys. I wish you guys the happiest new year. Let's start this year off right. Let's do things the right way. I love all of you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.